Are you new to leatherwork and don't quite know where to start? Stick around and I'll tell you who I am, what I do, and how I can help. Hey, my name's Tim. I own Black Flag Leather Goods. I just wanted to make an intro video for you to tell you a little bit about myself and why I started a YouTube channel. Just bear with me a little bit. This is my first YouTube video ever, so it could be something of a struggle, but I'm going to try my best to get through it with minimal mistakes. With that said, I started leatherworking in July of this year. It kind of began as a COVID hobby when I was at home and my daughter was napping during the day. I'd been interested in leatherworking for quite a while and, followed some groups and watched some videos and stuff, but it took a little bit of a push from someone in the community to get me to order my first Amazon kit and leather order and get going. In July, I started, and this is the first wallet I made. It looks pretty much like every leatherworker's first piece. It's all wonky. Stitching lines are weird. I had to start and stop a bunch of times because I didn't know how much thread to use. And yeah, it's I'll never get rid of this thing, but definitely not my best work. So now I'm putting these things out. This is my own design for a bifold. I love this thing. I carry one myself. I sell these for $100. So in a few months, I've gone from hobby to, making sales. I'm not to a point where I'm going to get rich and retire on it, but I am getting orders every single week. My goal for the channel, I would like to give back and help new leatherworkers the way I received help, as well as I watched a lot of YouTube videos when I started, and there's some great videos out there and there's some not so great ones. I really wanted to make, some of my videos to cover some of the stuff that I wish I had seen out there. I am not a veteran leatherworker. Like I said, I started under a year ago. So there is going to be stuff that other people are going to know a better way. And I mean, if you see me doing something wrong, by all means, let me know in the comments. And I'm learning myself, so you'll be able to watch me grow. But as far as videos, my plan right now is to post once a week. I'm thinking Wednesdays. I would like to post, I think, tutorial videos. I'll probably give away free templates with those as well. Tool reviews. I have a bunch of new tools coming that I would like to, do a unboxing and review of, so you can see if it's worth it. Probably just videos of me working and talking to the camera, maybe some live streams at some point. But I'm still trying to figure everything out. If you could like and subscribe, that would mean a lot to me and it would help me out huge. And I will see you in the next video. Thanks.